Hey YouTube, so this is going to be a review of the Juvias Place I Am Magic foundation and concealer. I've already did my eyebrows and my eyeshadow. I wanted to go for like a nude pink, so that's what I did. I wore my foundation on Saturday because I received it in the mail. I ordered it right when it released online. And I will be honest with you all, I wasn't impressed. Now, I wasn't impressed not because of the actual foundation. I don't think I was impressed because I didn't know how to use it. After I had my baby girl, I actually started getting dry. So it could have been because I didn't moisturize my face good enough, or I didn't use a great moisturizing primer. So it could have been me. So right now we're going to try this whole application again. I'm going to go in with my NYX hydrating primer right here, and I did spray the Mario Badescu on my face. So now we're going to just go in with this hydrating primer. Saturday when I went out, I'm going to put in a clip because it didn't look bad. My face looked really good. I was very, you know, once I went out, took a couple of pictures, took a couple of videos, you know, I was cool with it. But at first I was like, oh, I'm not impressed. And like I said, it's not because of the company. It's just, you know, just me and how I applied the makeup on. I used my Angel Veil primer to apply. As far as the primer, I use my Angel Veil by NYX. And that kind of gives me a velvety already. So putting that on top of my face before the foundation, that probably kind of conflicted. So we're gonna see. I used my beauty blender, which was dirty. I'm not like, I always wash. I'm sanitary when it comes to my clients, but when it comes to myself, I'm like, I just use it on me, it's okay, you know, I'm gonna use it again, it doesn't matter. But I realized also that you have to have a clean beauty blender. And I am in the color Burkina. I'm going to use my Real Technique foundation brush. I love the coverage on this foundation. I really do. But honestly, you have to see how your skin reacts to it. You have to see if you need more moisturizer. You have to see, like, do you not need moisturizer? Do you just need a primer? That kind of, I don't know. You definitely need to figure that out. So I'm just going to put that much on and see how that goes on. Alright guys, so let's see. And so far, I really don't think I put enough moisturizer on, but it is going on better than it did before. So I'm just gonna continue to tap that into my face. I don't know why, but I feel like I need more. I'm actually gonna spray some of this Badescu on my brush because I just feel dry, guys. I feel dry. Okay, so I'm gonna just put 2 more. Okay, 3. Maybe this is a mistake, but you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know why, but I just use, ooh, okay. Once I sprayed my brush, it's applying the product a little bit better. So let me show you all. That looks really good. So I don't know, it's really what works for you all, but I do like the foundation. Like I said, at first I wasn't impressed, but now that I just, you know, used a moisturizing hydrating primer, I'm pretty pleased. So yep, this is Burkina, and it definitely matches my skin. So if you are my complexion, definitely go for the Burkina. I had like a little acne spot like right here, but it actually faded away after I did that second coat with the wet brush, well, damp brush. I'm gonna go in with the concealer, and I got the concealer in the number 12. My Fond concealer in the LA Girl Pro concealer. It kind of reminds me of this color, so I was just like, let me just choose that. I'm not going to do anything lighter than that. And if I did want lighter, I'll just mix the concealer. So I'm just gonna go in. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush with the same spray this brush. I'm using like a nice angled fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna shake it out, and I'm just gonna start highlighting under my eyes. So y'all, I'm telling you. Okay, so next time if I want to use my beauty blender, make sure it's clean. So make sure your beauty blenders are clean, you guys. You're using a new product. You don't want to mix that product with your old product. I had to learn the hard way because I wasn't interested. I was not interested at all. Not that I wasn't interested, I just wasn't like, ooh, shook like everybody is. But I'm shook now. Okay? Do you see this? Do you see it? I see it. I see it, and I'm starting to love it. Okay? I don't feel dry. I don't feel dry at all. Especially with the hydration primer, I feel much better. I feel much better about my choice of buying this product. I did buy this product. Juvia, girl, now I am very much so impressed. Okay, yes, very much so. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, you guys, and then I'm gonna come back with the full look, and I'm going to definitely let you all know how I love it so far, guys. So I like it. I like it. It came out really good. So what we learned today was, when you use this foundation, do not use a dirty beauty blender or a dry brush. If you have dry skin, use the most moisturizer you can find when you use this foundation, and make sure that your supplies that you're using is damp, or, you know, spray something on your brush. I would definitely probably recommend the beauty blender over the brush, but they do have a brush that comes with the foundation that they probably will have in Ulta when they launch it in June in the store. So I would definitely recommend doing that before, you know, do what I did, which was use a dirty beauty blender. The first time I used it, you won't be impressed. You won't get that shook effect that everybody else has. I definitely love the application. I definitely love it. I love it. I love this whole look. I love it. This is definitely going to be my foundation for now. Comment down below if you already purchased it and you have it, and just tell me what you feel about it. Tell me how it works for you, and let's just have a conversation about it. I definitely love the foundation and the concealer. I'm going to get the darker concealer for my contour, and probably do a full face on camera with that. And then also when they come out with the setting powder, I'm gonna, you know, use the whole thing. So once the whole thing comes together, I'm gonna come back on here and just do the whole Juvia's Place look. On my eyes, I did use a palette, a Juvia's Place palette. I used the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place for my eyes. So everything was pretty much Juvia's Place besides the contouring. Everything about this foundation is A+, and it lives up to what it says, but you have to make sure that it works. You do it in a way that works for you, because or else you're going to be like, oh my gosh. In my case, I wasn't impressed. So you definitely have to apply it in a way that works for you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe this video. And until next time, dolls.